Good Wednesday afternoon, everybody. June 20th, 2018. Welcome into another edition of Talking Fitchburg. Wednesday's edition.
It is a Wednesday.
Could be a wacky Wednesday.
Would have been weird to have Tuesdays on today.
It would have been, unless you were watching it after this, which will happen.
Mm-hmm. Good point. Good point, Jeremy. Mm-hmm. Got me.
I
nailed me down on that one.
I know what I'm doing.
Yep.
Sometimes.
He knows all the facts. So write in any question. He'll answer it live.
I want to know about your blog yesterday. I mean,
that thing is on fire. It was burning up the charts. Now I'm telling you, the Talking Fitchburg viewers showed up, and they're clicking through my photo galleries like nobody's business out there.
They're still trying to find the original article.
It takes a while. I really hit it in there.
Yeah, well, you'll have to go and look back at yesterday's show, which you can look back at a lot of our shows by just heading to the website, fitchburgwi.gov, and then just look for the logo. It's on our shirts, FACTv. It's on my shirt.
Your shirt, yeah.
Sorry.
Yep.
I went 2 days in a row with a fact shirt. I decided it was a twofer.
Yeah.
Well,
good.
It might even be a threefer.
Preston and I are wearing pretty close to the same.
That's right.
Maroonish.
I decided to ignore your guys' color,
Yeah. Yeah.
But see, today we switched because now I'm in my jeans today, and you two are in khakis. So.
Darn it.
I'm a Monday through Thursday khakis guy, and then like to sport the jeans on Friday.
All right.
It's just the way I roll.
So that's what you got to do.
You can watch that
Do
by
what you gotta
checking
do.
the past shows.
Yeah. If you ever wake up and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't know what day it is, and all my calendars have disappeared. Let me quick hop on Talking Fitchburg and see what Jeremy's pants are looking like. If they're jeans, Friday, khakis, or khakis, if you want to call them that. It could be one of 4 different days.
Your kahakis.
You're going to have to figure it out. Yep.
There you go.
Your
to figure it out on your own.
Yeah, that's a tough one.
Yeah.
It's a tough one.
All right, well, you guys got me ramped up, ready to go here to tell you what's coming up on the show. We'll take you out to last night's community nights at Leopold Park. A lot of fun to be had there. Then we talk about a thing that's coming to an end, but you still got time. Parade of Homes. Do you know there's a site in Fitchburg this year? Yeah, you do now because I told you. And coming up, we're going to talk with one of the Amber. Well, it was one of the representatives from the Madison Area Builders. We're going to talk about Parade of Homes and a special event happening too this weekend to close things out right here in Fitchburg. And then the Boys and Girls Club stopping by, and we're talking about the Boys and Girls Club bike. I think it's Bike for Boys and Girls Club.
Yep.
But either way, Alex stopping in and giving us an update on that. So a very busy show, lots to get to, and I say we kick it off with the Leopold Community Nights. It's fun for the whole family, and this is why.
Tonight is our first community night at Leopold Park. We have got all kinds of things happening for all ages. So there is free food for everybody, there is soccer and golf and bingo and crafts. We also have our friends from Bike Fitchburg and the Healthy Kids Collaborative giving away free bike helmets. They've got a bike obstacle course. There's bikes for kids to ride. It's awesome. We've also got the UW Arboretum, UW Space Place, and the Community Groundworks are here with us tonight, also offering a bunch of different activities. We applied for some grant funding through the Emerging Opportunities Grant at the City of Madison because we needed to be able to rent portable bathrooms and tents and all of the good things that help this run. So that grant funding, along with some additional funding from Group Health Cooperative, allowed us to be able to provide meals for everybody, provide activities, and just let everybody in the neighborhood participate. We are here every Tuesday night for the next 7 weeks. So we start at 5 and we go till about 7 o'clock. So tonight was our first night, and we are going through July 31st every Tuesday night. It's free. It's free for anyone who wants to come down and check it out. So we're pretty excited about it. So we actually started these community nights. There is a community school committee up at Leopold School, and what we were hearing from all of the parents and other community members is we need stuff for our kids to do during the summer. But B, we also want an opportunity to meet our neighbors, to get to know other people in the neighborhood. There aren't a lot of public spaces, and so we started these community nights so that people could get together, meet each other, and it's really been fantastic. We get a wide variety of people, and everybody gets a chance to come and hang out and do some fun things. Last year we were just here on Tuesdays and Thursdays in the afternoon and did kind of a smaller scale evening night. And what we heard from people was be here more and do more things. So we really wanted to respond to that. So this year we have things for adults to do as well. That's something that we heard last year was the parents were like, all the kids get to do something, how come I can't too? So this year we're doing more things for the whole family and just for any resident that wants to come down and check it out. You don't even have to have kids. So like I said, we have soccer, we have bingo, we have golf, we have all these things that everybody can participate in. And our afternoons go Monday through Thursday, so we're here 4 days a week. We do lunch, we do activities, that goes from 12 until 3, Monday through Thursday, and that is now through August 2nd. Come down and check it out.
I'm not, I'm just waiting for the burgers to come.
Awesome. This is continuing on through the summer, so get on out there. Lots of activities, free food, fun. And fun for all ages, as they had mentioned, kids all the way up to adults. I like that you had the kids and adults with the soccer.
Oh, yeah.
Guy was like going in between them. Oh, yeah.
It's a real deal out there.
That is the real deal. He should have passed it. That's really what should have happened.
All about the teamwork. All right. So now, moving on to, well, I get to tell you about the road closures, ladies and gentlemen. So I get the fun stuff to talk about today. East Clayton Road at Larson will be closed to through traffic on Thursday, June 21st from approximately 6:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. for a culvert replacement. Pending whether this work should be completed that day. You can see a map here of where that's going to take place. So now you know that road is not going to be open for you.
All right, speaking of road construction, the Verona Road Construction Project has their quarterly open house tomorrow as well. So check this out. Be Thursday, June 21st from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. at the Verona Road Project Field Office, 6200 Nesbitt Road, Suite B. Right in the construction there. There will not be any formal presentation, but feel free to stop by at your convenience. You could go one-on-one with Steve. You know, we say Steve. We don't even know if he's going to be there. We probably should be careful on that. Anyway, you can come down and say hi to the whole team. We'll be sending a crew down there, and we'll bring you updates on Friday's show. Yeah, it's going to be great.
Coolio. Now I do get to tell you about a fun event, the Oak Bank Summer Soiree.
Soiree.
This is going to be good stuff. It's going to be July 12th from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. They say you don't want to miss this opportunity to connect with businesses and community. They're going to have a buffet-style picnic and live music, so you can listen. Come on out with the neighbors and colleagues. And they say, hey, don't forget, refreshing beverages as well. So come on out, just have a good time. Just a fun community event.
I like it. It's going to be good. All right, last but not least, Dane County has got a new big rig, as they might say. Well, I'm saying it. I'm saying it here anyways. Today, Dane County Executive Parisi, well, it wasn't today. This was 2 days ago, but new command vehicle. Yeah, this is to coordinate emergency responses at major public safety incidences. County Executive Joe Parisi included $500,000 in this year's county budget to purchase the new Dane County Command vehicle, also known in public safety world as CV1. You can see it there in the background. It's outfitted with the most state-of-the-art communications and public safety response equipment. It's housed in the Dane County Emergency Management Department. The vehicle will respond to severe weather, criminal investigations, power outages, and other emergencies requiring coordination of significant public safety resources. The new mobile command center will provide critical communications, planning, and coordination for major incidences. It's pretty cool. The other one was, they turned it into a gray piece, but this guy, looks
well,
like
it's just like a big RV. So it's nice. It doesn't have to be pulled or anything by another vehicle.
Yeah, so hopefully they'll have it out. Usually at like the crime prevention picnic and some other community events, they'll bring out the big toys, if you will, and you get to check that out. But hey, it's all about safety.
Heyo.
All right. that does it for headlines this nice Wednesday. Coming up next, we're opening up the Fitchburg Digest. We're talking about the Parade of Homes. That's next, right here on Talking Fitchburg.